I'm your examiner. Now I'm going to take your speaking test. And a very good morning today.
Good morning to you, sir.
Thank you very much. And could I know your full name, please?
Yes, sure. My full name is Prarthana Haldar and my nickname is Prarthana. Thanks
Wow.
for asking,
Thank
sir.
you very much. What should I call you, please?
You can call me Prarthana Haldar. My friends and family like to call me Prarthana. So if you feel free, you can call me Prarthana.
Could I know about your family, please?
Yes, sure. I have a small and happy and wonderful family. My father's name is Binamin Haldar. He's a service soldier and he's a very responsible man. My mother's name is Ratna Sarkar. She is a nursing officer and she is very hardworking woman and responsible woman. I have an elder sister and her name is Pushpita Haldar. She has completed her college this year.
Wow, very good. Thank you very much. What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue because it's a peaceful color and it's the color of sea and the sky.
Okay, why friends are important?
They are very important because they are the person who understands us after our family, and we should have friends because we can share our feelings with them and they understands us easily.
What do you love watching?
I love watching English videos like English podcast and the shadowing method. Like I always watch English cartoons, English movies and English podcast.
Okay, this is the last one. How can technology help students learn?
With the help of technology, we can study more better because technology gives us answer more briefly, and books gives us answer from a border. Like in border, we get answer, but when we ask technology and we say to give more better answer, they gives us more better answer. And with the help of technology, we can be more attentive at studies. I think so.
Okay, thank you very much. I'm very happy to talk to you.